Hey there, today we have a problem to tackle involving data manipulation in a data frame. We have 15 columns, including subject ID, the subject's age at different time points, and their scores at those same time points. Most participants only have data for one time point, but some have multiple. Our goal is to create two new columns: minScore, which is the minimum score across the different time points, and scoreAge, which corresponds to the age at the time point of the minimum score. Let's dive into the solution. Using the dplyr package, we can utilize the Rowwise function to operate row by row. By utilizing sort and order functions on the score columns, we can efficiently calculate the minimum score and the corresponding age. This approach ensures that we handle NAs properly and obtain accurate results for each participant in the dataset. Continuing with the solution, the resulting Tibble table showcases the calculated values for minScore and scoreAge for each participant. By organizing the data in this manner, we can easily identify the minimum score obtained by each subject alongside the respective age at that time point. This structured output provides valuable insights into the dataset and allows for further analysis and interpretation. In summary, we've successfully tackled the data manipulation problem by creating the minScore and scoreAge columns for each participant in the data frame. This approach optimizes the process and ensures accurate results, making it easier to extract meaningful information from the dataset. I hope you enjoyed this data wrangling journey. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.